Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our YouTube channel with Balakrishna Maths. Okay, grade 10, chapter 2, Polynomials. Okay, CBS syllabus. In CBS syllabus, grade 10, chapter 2, Polynomials, second chapter. So, in this chapter, the topics are introduction of polynomials, zeros or roots of polynomials, relation between roots and quotients, next roots of quadratic polynomial, next divide of the polynomials. So, before you go to the topics, know about that polynomials. So, here what is the polynomial? Before you go to the polynomial, know about that variable, next constant, next binary operations, next expression, next types of expression, next polynomials. Okay. So, here variable, a symbol can change for any numerical value. Okay, that symbol is called variable. Okay, here for example, we take that even numbers are in the form of 2n. Even numbers are multiples of 2. Okay, even number is nothing but multiples of 2. That means 2n, 2 into n. Here n is the natural number. In the place of n, we take that 1. That is 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 3 ja 6. 2 4 ja 5. 2 4 ja 8. 2 5 ja 10. 2 6 ja 12, and so on. Here, in the place of n, you can take any numerical value. Then the number it changes. Okay, variable means what? A symbol can change for any numerical value. That symbol is called variable. Okay, for example, here 5a. 5a means 5 into a. Here in the place of a, we take any numerical value. Then this total is changes. So here in the place of a, we take that 1. So 5 into 1, 5. 5 2 ja 10. 5 3 ja 15. 5 4 ja 20. 5 5 ja 25, and so on. Okay, here what is the variable here? A. So variable means what? A symbol can change for any numerical value. That is called variable. Next, constant means what? Any symbol does not change for any numerical value. Okay, so that is what are the constant? All numerical values are constant. Okay, next, binary operations. Binary operations means what? The plus, minus, into, divide. The symbols of addition, subtraction, multiple, divide. That symbols are called binary operations. So expression means what? Here what are the expressions here? Here what are there here in this topic? There are variables, constant, and binary operations. Okay, so the here variable and constant are both with the combination of binary operation, that is called expression. So that is here, for example, you take that x plus 5y. Here variable is what? X and y. Constant is what? 5. So 1 is multiplied with anything, we get the same. That is here x we can write as 1 into x. 1 into x. So here what are the binary operations here? Into, plus. Here variable is what? X, y. Constant 1 5. So variable or constant are both with the combination of binary operations. Okay, that is called expression. Here how many types of expressions are there? 2 types are there. What are the 2 types of expressions? There are first one, algebraic expression, numerical expression. Algebraic expression means what? Variable and constant with binary operation, that is called algebraic expression. So for example, here we take that x square minus 3x plus y by 10 plus 9z. 9z. Here what are the variables here? X, y, z. Binary operation is what here? Minus, plus, divide. 3x means what? 3 into x. 9z means what? 9 into z. X square, how you can write? 1 into x square. So here what are the binary operations? Into, plus, divide, minus. Variables here what? X, y, z. Constant is what here? 1, 3, 9, 10. Okay, so this is called algebraic expression. Numerical expression means what? It is nothing but here there is only digits or numericals with the combination of binary operations. So that is here, for example, you take that numerical expression. Okay, 2 into 3 divided by 9 minus 10 divided by 5. Okay, here what are the numbers? 2, 3, 9, 10, 5. Binary operation is what here? Into, divide, minus, divide. Okay, so this is called what? Numerical expression. Okay, so here this is the numerical expression. Next, degree. Next, degree. Degree means what? The sum of powers of variables of a term is called degree. So here, for example, we take that 10 x y square z cube. Okay, here it is a term. Term means what? Variable or constant with binary operation, either multiple or divide. That is called term. Here 3x, it is a term. Here 3 into x, y by 10, it is a term. Y divided by 10, 9z, it is a term. X square, 1 into x square. Okay, x square, it is a term. Okay, so term means what? Variables or constant with binary operation, multiple or divide, that are called term. Okay, here what is called degree? The sum of powers of variables of a term. Okay, it is a term. Y here 10 x y z variables. So these all are multiple, 10 into x into y square into z cube. Okay, so this is called term. Okay, in the term, here what are the variables here? X y z. So what is called degree? The sum of powers of variables of a term. Here there is no power. What is the power? 1. Here y power is how much? 2. Z power is how much? 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is how much? 6. So 6 is the degree of 10x y square z cube. 6 is the degree of 10x y square z cube. This is called degree. Okay, next, polynomial. So now the chapter heading polynomial. What is the definition of polynomial? Polynomial means what? Here the terms degree, the degree of terms of an algebraic expression is non-negative integers or whole numbers. Okay, that algebraic expression is called polynomial. Here what is called polynomial? The degree of terms of an algebraic expression is non-negative integers is called polynomial. Okay, so what are the examples of polynomials? Here example of polynomials: x square plus 5x minus y. How many terms are there? 3 terms. X power is how much? 2. Okay, this term degree is how much? 2. This term degree is 1. This term degree is 1. Okay, this is called polynomial. So polynomial means what? The degree of terms of an algebraic expression is non-negative integers. We take another example. Here x square minus 9. Okay, here what is the degree here? 2. Here what is the degree here? 0. The degree of constant term is 0. Okay, so this is called polynomial. Here for example, here x plus 1 by x, it is a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial. Why? Here x plus 1 by x, how we can write? X power minus 1. Why we can write as 1 by x as write as x power minus 1? Here we know that one formula, a power minus m is equal 1 by a power m. So 1 by x we can write as x power minus 1. So here the term degrees are negative integer. Okay, so x degree, the term degree is 1. Here the term degree is minus 1. So therefore it is not a polynomial. So polynomial means what? The degree of term is non-negative integer. Non-negative integer means what? It is only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Its degree is either negative or fractions, then it is not a polynomial. Okay, for example, we take that 5 root x plus 10. Here root x means what? What is the exponent form? 1 by 2. That is 5 into x power 1 by 2 plus 10. So this term degree is how much? 1 by 2. This term degree is how much? 0. So here the term degree is fraction form. So therefore it is not a polynomial. Okay, polynomial means what? The degree of terms of algebraic expression is non-negative integer. That is called polynomial. So polynomial means what? The degree of terms of an algebraic expression are non-negative integers. It is a polynomial. Its degree is either negative integers or fractions or decimal. That algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Okay, here types of polynomials based on terms. So here what are the types of polynomials based on terms means? Here a polynomial which having only one term. A polynomial having single term. Okay, that polynomial is called monomial. That is called monomial. So monomial means what? Single term. So for example 2x, it is a monomial. Okay, single term, there is no more than one term. Okay, the single term of a polynomial is called monomial. Okay, for example here 15 a b c q, it is a monomial. Next here 20 x y z l square m power 4 n power 10, it is a monomial, single term. Okay, that is called monomial. Okay, next binomial. Binomial, a polynomial which having two terms. A polynomial which having two terms, that is called binomial. For example x plus y, next 2x minus 10y, next x power 100 minus y power 100. How many terms are there here? 1 2. Here how many terms are there? 2 terms. Here 2 terms. So these polynomials are called binomial. Okay, polynomial which having two terms, that is called binomial. Next trinomial. Trinomial. Trinomial means what? A polynomial which having three terms. A polynomial which having three terms. That polynomial is called trinomial. For example, a plus b plus c. Next here 3x plus 5y minus 10. Next x square plus 3xy square plus 10y cube z. So it is a trinomial. Multinomial means what? A polynomial which having more than two terms, that is called multinomial. So multinomial. So what is the example here? A square plus b square plus c square plus ab plus bc plus cd. So this is called multinomial. Next, types of polynomials based on degree. Here a polynomial which having degree is 1, that is called linear polynomial. So linear polynomial. Now a polynomial which having degree is 1, that is called linear polynomial. Example here 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. How many terms are there here in this polynomial? 2 terms. First term degree is how much? 1. Next term degree is how much? 0. So what is the highest degree here? 1. So this polynomial is called linear polynomial. Okay, so here for example x plus 3y plus 5z. Here how many terms are there here? 3 terms. 1 2 3. First term degree is 1, next term degree is 1, next term degree is 1. The highest degree is how much? 1. It is a linear polynomial. So for example you take that x plus 10y plus 15. How many terms are there? 3 terms. Okay, here first term degree is 1, next 0. So it is a linear polynomial in one variable. It is a linear polynomial with 3 variables. It is a linear polynomial in 2 variables. Here what are the 2 variables? X, y. Here what are the 2 variables? X, y, z. Okay, a polynomial which having degree is 1, that is called linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial which having degree is 2, that polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. For example here we take that x square plus 3x plus 5. How many terms are there here? 3 terms. 1 2 3. Okay, for the term what the degree? 2. Here 1, here 0. So the highest degree is 2. So this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial which having degree is 2, that polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. For example you take that a square plus bc plus ac. Here how many terms are there? 3 terms. First term degree is 2, next term is 2, next term is 2. So the highest degree is 2. This polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, we take another example x square minus 9. Here how many terms are there? 2 terms. First term degree is 2, next term is 0. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, a polynomial which having degree is 2, that polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. A polynomial which having degree is 3, that polynomial is called cubic polynomial. For example here x square plus 16. How many terms are there? 2 terms. First term degree is 3, next term degree is 0. So this polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Next we take that x square plus x square y plus x y square plus 10xy. How many terms are there? 3 terms. First term degree, here how much? 3. X power is 2, y power is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Next here x power 1, y power 2. 1 plus 2, 3. So here x power 1, y power is 1. So what is the highest degree? 3. So this polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Okay. So next, biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. So what is called biquadratic polynomial? A polynomial degree is 4. That polynomial is called biquadratic polynomial. For example, we take that x power 4 minus 32. Okay, here what is the degree here? 4. What is the degree here? 0. So what is the highest degree? 4. So this polynomial is called biquadratic polynomial. Here we take that x power 4 plus ax cube plus bx square plus 10y. Okay, how many terms are there here? 4 terms. First term degree is 4, next term degree is 4, next term degree is 3, next term degree is 1. So this polynomial is called biquadratic polynomial. Nth degree polynomial. A polynomial which having degree is n, that polynomial is called nth degree polynomial. So when you observe the polynomials, its degree of the terms are decreasing. Okay, so nth degree polynomial is its general form is, okay, a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus and so on plus an. This is the nth degree general form of nth degree polynomial. We can write another way is also, here what are, here x is the variable, a0, a1, a2 and so on, an are coefficients. Coefficient means what? The factors of a term is called coefficient. Constant coefficient, variable coefficient. So here a0, a1, a2 and so on, an are coefficients of x variable. Okay, so or we can write another way is also a1 plus a0 a1x plus a2 x square plus and so on plus an x power n. So this is nth degree polynomial, general form of nth degree polynomial. Next, general form of linear polynomial, okay, is ax plus b. It is the general form of linear polynomial with one variable. Next, ax plus by plus c. It is a general form of linear a polynomial with two variables. Here ab are constant, x is the variable, a is the quotient of this term. Okay, here a, b, c are constant, x, y are coefficients. Here a, b are coefficients of x and y. Coefficient means what? The factor of a term is called coefficients. Okay, so this is the general form of linear polynomial. Next, general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Here what is the variable here? X. Constant is here what? A, b, c. Here a is the quotient of this term, b is the quotient of this term. Okay, next, general form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the general form of cubic polynomial. Next, biquadratic polynomial is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. This is the general form of biquadratic polynomial.